how to share Spotify Wrapped on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to share it easy and quick. First just go to this one, Spotify, then let's go to this one here, and that's it. Wait for it, and here we'll find share. That's it. Just click share, and as you see here, you can share it easy and quick, and just select any app you want and you can download it if you want, and that's it. I hope that can fix your problem. It's easy. Don't forget to like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.